How to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity problem easily and fast. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this, and now on this page you will find every single app that you have on your phone. All what you want to do is very simple, wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on Instagram, it will take you into this page right here. Click on force stop and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable every single permission right here. So go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear cache and clear data to clear all the informations. Go back again, click on the power usage details. Make sure that the power consumption alert option is enabled, and if it's not enabled then you make sure to enable it and click down here again on force stop, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.